Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today, I'm gonna show you how to enable multi-user access on Hostinger. So before you do anything, make sure that you go and buy a plan. If you want to buy a subscription or premium, you're gonna be able to find a link in the description box to help you out with that step. Now, what you're gonna do and get discounts, of course. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the official website. To grant access, click on the profile icon and choose account sharing, and then what you're gonna do, in the account sharing page, click on grant access button. Then you'll be presented with further options like insert an email account that you would like to grant access to, and then access level, manage services or manage services, and make purchases using added payment method. And you're gonna see you gotta follow the prompts, right? And basically you could determine the access level and select the services that you wish to share, and determine if the user can set up pending orders by filling out the form. And when everything is good to go, click on grant access right here at the bottom. You're gonna see it, and basically a confirmation message will be sent to the user, and they must click on the link to be granted access to your account. Note, if the new user does not have a Hostinger account yet, they will be prompted to create one. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.